Shimane Prefecture is a prefecture of Japan located in the Chūgoku region on the main Honshu island. The capital is Matsue. It is the second least populous prefecture in Japan, after its eastern neighbor Tottori. The prefecture has an area elongated from east to west facing the Chūgoku Mountain Range on the south side and to the Sea of Japan on the north side. It is divided into the Izumo Region in the east, the Iwami Region in the west and the Oki Region, a small group of islands off the northern coast. Most of the cities are near the shoreline of the Sea of Japan. Izumo Taisha in Izumo City is one of the oldest Shinto shrines in Japan. The Oki Islands in the Sea of Japan are also part of Shimane Prefecture, which also claims to have jurisdiction over the South Korea-controlled island of Liancourt Rocks, Japanese, Takeshima, see a cubed paragraph. History Early history The history of Shimane starts with Japanese mythology. The Shinto god Oki was believed to live in Izumo, an old province in Shimane. Izumo Shrine, which is in the city of Izumo, honors the god Euro. At that time, the current Shimane Prefecture was divided into three parts, Iwami, Izumo, and Oki. That lasted until the abolition of the Han system took place in 1871. During the Nara period, Kakinomoto no Hitamaru read a poem on Shimane's nature when he was sent as the royal governor. Later on in the Kamakura period, Kamakura shogunate forced Emperors Go-Toba and Godaigo into exile in Oki. Emperor Godaigo later escaped away from Oki and began rallying supporters against the shogunate, which succeeded. Middle Ages During the Muromachi period, Izumo and Oki were controlled by the Chūgoku clan. However, after the Oenin War, the Amago clan expanded power based in Gasantoda Castle and the Masuda clan dominated Iwami province. The Iwami Ginzan silver mine was located between Amago territory and Masuda territory, so there were many battles between these clans for the silver. However, in 1566 Mori Motonari conquered Izumo, Iwami, and Oki. After over 30 years of Mori control, in 1600 Horio Yoshiharu entered Izumo and Oki as the result of Battle of Sekigahara, which Mori lost. Following the change, Horio Yoshiharu decided to move to build Matsue Castle instead of Gasantoda, and soon after Yoshiharu's death the castle was completed. Later in 1638, the grandson of Tokugawa Ieyasu, Matsujira Nomasa became the ruler because the Horio clan had no heir, and his family ruled until the abolition of the Han system. The Iwami area was split into three regions, the mining district, under the direct control of the shogunate, the Hamada clan region, and the Tsuano clan region. The Iwami Ginzan, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, produced silver and was one of the nation's largest silver mine by the early 17th century. The Hamada clan was on the shogunate side in the Meiji Restoration, and the castle was burned down. The Tsuano clan, despite then being ruled by the Matsujira, was on the emperor's side in the Restoration. Modern age In 1871, the abolition of the Han system placed the old Shimane and Hamada provinces in the current area of Shimane Prefecture. Later that year, Oki became part of Tottori. In 1876, Hamada Prefecture was merged into the Shimane Prefecture. Also, Tottori Prefecture was added in the same year. However, 5 years later, in 1881, the current portion of Tottori Prefecture was separated and the current border was formed. Geography Shimane Prefecture is situated on the Sea of Japan side of the Chūgoku region. Because of its mountainous landscape, rice farming is done mostly in the Izumo Plain where the city of Izumo is located. Another major landform is the Shimane Peninsula. The peninsula is located across the Sea of Japan from Izumo to Sakiminato, which is located in Tottori Prefecture. Also, the peninsula created two seawater lakes, Lake Shinji and Nakomi. The island of Daikon is located in Nakomi. Off the main island of Honshu, the island of Oki is in Shimane Prefecture as well. The island itself is in the Daisen-Oki National Park. Shimane also claims the use of Liancourt Rocks, over which they are in dispute with South Korea. As of April 1, 2012, 6% of the total land area of the prefecture was designated as natural parks, namely Daisanoki National Park, Hibadago Teishaku and Nishikagoku Sankai Quasi National Parks, and 11 prefectural natural parks. Most major cities are located either on the seaside, or along a river. Cities equals. 8 cities are located in Shimane Prefecture, the largest being Matsue, the capital, and the smallest being Gatsu. The cities Masuda, Unan, Yasuji, and Gatsu had a slight population increase due to the mergers in the early 2000s. Towns and villages equals, these are the towns and villages of each district. The number of towns and villages greatly decreased during the mergers. However, they hold about 1/3 of the prefecture's population. Mergers equals. Climate. The prefecture has a subtropical climate. Winter is cloudy with a little snow, and summer is humid. The average annual temperature is 14.6 degrees Celsius. It rains almost every day in the rainy season, from June to mid-July. The highest average monthly temperature occurs in August with 26.3 degrees Celsius. The average annual precipitation is 1799 mm, higher than Tokyo's 1467 mm and Obihiro with 920 mm. Transportation. Airports equals. 3 airports serve Shimane. The Izumo Airport located in Izumo is the largest airport in the prefecture in terms of passengers, which has regular flights to Haneda Airport, Osaka Airport, Fukuoka Airport, and Oki Airport. The Iwami Airport has 2 flights each day to Haneda and Osaka and 2 arrivals. Oki Airport has scheduled flights to Osaka and Izumo airports. Izumo Airport, Iwami Airport, Oki Airport. Rail equals, Junior West and Ikebate Electric Railway serves the prefecture in terms of rail transportation. The Sanin Main Line goes through the prefecture on the Sea of Japan side going into major cities such as Matsue and Izumo. Izumoshi and Matsue stations are the major stops in the prefecture. The Tsuki Line, which forks from Shinji Station on the Sanin Line, connects with the Geibai Line in Hiroshima Prefecture, cutting into the Chūgoku Mountains. Ikebate Electric Railway served the Shimane Peninsula from Dentetsu Izumoshi Station and Izumo Taisha Station to Matsue Shinjuku Onsen Station. Junior West has 3 limited express trains to Shimane, which are Super Matsukes, Super Oki, and Yakumo. West Japan Railway Company, Sanin Main Line, Sanka Line, Tsuki Line, Yamaguchi Line. Ikebate Electric Railway, Kitamatsu Line, Taisha Line. Roads equals. General roads, Japan National Route 9, Izumo Bypass, Gatsu Road. Japan National Route 54, Japan National Route 180, Japan National Route 184, Japan National Route 186, Japan National Route 187, Japan National Route 191, Japan National Route 261, Japan National Route 314, Japan National Route 375, Japan National Route 431, Japan National Route 432, Japan National Route 485, Japan National Route 488. Highways. The 4 expressways in the prefecture connect major cities with other prefectures. The Matsu Expressway connects Matsue with Unan and Yonago in Tottori Prefecture. Hamada Expressway forks from the Shūgoku Expressway at Kita Hiroshima and stretches to Hamada. Sanin Expressway, Matsue Expressway, Hamada Expressway, Chūgoku Expressway. Ferry high-speed boats equals, Oki Kisen. Economy. In Shimane, the largest employer is the retail industry, employing over 60,000 workers. The supermarket, Michimaya, and the hardware store, Juntendo, are examples of companies based in Shimane. The manufacturing industry has the second number of employees with 49,000 workers. The retail industry has over 12,000 locations within the prefecture, the most of any industry. 29% of the total industry income in the prefecture is from the service industry, which includes retailers. The manufacturing makes up 13% of the total industry income. Companies based in Shimane. Manufacturing, Izumo Murata Manufacturing, Shimane Fujitsu, Mitsubishi Agricultural Machinery. Financial, the Shimane Bank, the Sanin-Godo Bank. Others, Network Applied Communication Laboratory, Michimaya, Juntendo, Ikebati Electric Railway. Major factories Hitachi Metals. Demographics, 1/3 of the prefecture's population is concentrated in the Izumo Matsue area. Otherwise, over 2/3 of the population is on the coastline. The reason is that the Chūgoku Mountains make the land inland harder to inhabit. The capital, Matsue, has the smallest population out of all the 47 prefectural capitals. Shimane has also the largest percentage of the elderly. The province had an estimated 743 centenarians per million inhabitants in September 2010, the highest ratio in Japan, overtaking Okinawa Prefecture. Population by age Source R1/4 graph 10/prefectures Ajai 1/4 in age group C 1/4 per mil, gender divided population E 1/4 total population, Ministry of Internal Affairs Statistics Bureau. Culture Cultural assets World Cultural Heritage, the historic remains of Iwami Ginzan's silver mine and its cultural background, national treasures, Izumo Taisha Main Shrine, Kamosyu Shrine Main Shrine, toiletry case with autumn field and ear design, armor laced with white thread, bronze bells from the Kamo Iwakura site unearthed bronze bell-shaped vessel, Kojindani ruins unearthed ruins, important traditional building preservation area, OEMORI, Iunotsu. Language EC 1/4 dialect C 1/4 per mil Unpaka dialect, Iwami dialect. Universities in Shimane Prefecture Shimane University, Matsue and Izumo, the University of Shimane, Hamada. Tourism, Shimane Vogel Park, Matsue Castle, Edaki Museum of Art, Aquas Aquarium, Iwami Ginzan's Silver Mine, Izumo Taisha, Shimane Art Museum, Iwami Art Museum Mount Sanbi, Tamatsukurai Onsen. Prefectural symbols, the prefectural flower is the mountain peony. On the island of Dakonjima, they were grown from at least the 18th century. See also, Lafcadio. Notes. References, Nussbaum, Louis Fra Copyright Dow Copyright Rick and Car Currency The Rath Japan Encyclopedia. Cambridge, Harvard University Press. ISBN 978-674-01753-5. OCLC 58053128. External links, official homepage of Shimane Prefecture, Shimane JET Program Participants Homepage, National Archives of Japan. Shimane Map, Edaki Museum of Art, Sightseeing in Shimane.